What's up, guys? Back Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday has started, so I'm gonna wait for everybody to get on here. Instagram, we were just up for a minute or so. I had to pull it all down, so we're back. So Cyber Monday. So this is the day after Thanksgiving weekend. Everybody goes crazy. They try to break the internet. People get all kinds of deals and steals. So I hope that's awesome. I hope you guys are getting some great deals on some great things. I am Beefcake. Sponsor me. Send in your information to titanmedicalcenter@gmail.com. Say why I should sponsor you. Do you know anything about Titan Medical Center? How are we going to benefit each other? Send in some information like that. Just something about the brand, something you like about us, if that's the case. But I'm here to talk about Cyber Monday deals. So everybody's got these great deals and things going on, so I wanted to get on here and personally help you guys out. Last week we did some awesome discounts and savings and free blood work on the giveaways and all kinds of great stuff. So I want to help out new patients and old patients. So this is kind of why I'm going live. And I just decided, you know what, I'm going to do this. I want to make sure everybody knows about it. I want everybody to take advantage of it. And I'm not only going to offer it today, I'm going to offer it for tomorrow. And then you guys will see it. So this is the deal, guys. Please, if you guys are on Facebook, at least share this to a couple different people because I'm going to give some awesome deals away. And if you're on Instagram, please tag at. I had makeup. Dude, Beefcake, send in your information, man. We will definitely talk, all right? Mention this too as well. All right, so Cyber Monday. So this is what we're going to do for Cyber Monday at Titan Medical Center. First off, you guys know what we do, right? We do vitamin amino acid injectable therapies, hormone replacement therapies, rejuvenation detox, weight loss therapies, anti-aging, and a lot more. We service nationwide. We do blood testing nationwide. We can do a la carte testing, which means you can take one test, or you can do the full panels that we offer, or you can do food sensitivity testing, STD testing. We actually send you to a lab in your local zip code. So it's very easy, very simple to do, right? But a lot of people come to us for a lot of different things. The two main things I would say is hormone replacement therapy, that's a huge one, and our vitamin amino acid injectable therapies. So our hormone replacement therapy, we have different blends of testosterone. We have our own blend of testosterone made for our patients, and we service patients a lot of different ways. Females, we have a lot of different things for you. Oral versions like troches, sublingual. There's a lot of different ways you can get hormone replacement, and there's a lot of different hormones that people need or are deficient of. So one other aspect that we always like to press on because people need them are our vitamin amino acids. And our injectable therapies, most of them are niche to our clinic. That means you can't find them anywhere else. I was talking to some other people like, man, a lot of people come to our clinic and switch over their hormone replacement therapy. If, they just want our vitamin aminos, they're like, you guys are so cutting edge. You guys do all this other stuff. I want to put it all underneath one roof. So they bring over all their hormone replacement therapy and they get our vitamin amino acid injectable therapies. But let's say you're a 21-year-old guy or 22 or 23 years old or female, and you don't need hormone replacement therapy. You checked your blood work. Everything looks pristine. You're at optimal levels. What else can Titan do for you? So we have our ECA stack, which is great for weight loss, energy, concentration. We've got our injectable vitamin blends and amino blends like Titan Up, Titan Complete, Nectar of the Gods, Hercules Potion, Titan Ultra. So let's say you just want to do a vitamin amino acid injectable therapy or just the ECA Stack Plus, right? It's only $50 for a doctor's consult, and that lasts the whole year. So at that point, you only have to pay the $50 and see the medical provider one time the whole year. Now, this is only for vitamin and amino acid injectable therapies and possible ECA Stack Plus. This is not for hormone replacement therapy. You have to do 2 visits a year, 2 blood works a year at least, and a couple of different things. So vitamin amino acid injectable therapies, simple, easy, $50. You'll do your doctor's visit or medical provider visit, get that knocked out. What I'm also going to do for you, old patients and new patients, I'm going to take $50 off your blend, whatever it is. If you're already getting a super discount, we can't add that discount to it. But for most of you guys, the $50 off every blend of vitamin amino acid therapies. Hercules Potion, Titan Complete, Glutathione, Tighten Up, Nectar of the Gods. I mean, all the blends that we offer, you guys can be able to take advantage of. So what do you need to do to take advantage of these therapies and get the Cyber Titan Monday discount? What you're going to have to do is you're going to either have to call or text the 727-389-3220 number. I'll talk about MK677 in 1 second. So if you call or text the 727-389-3220, all you have to do is say, I want to get the new patient paperwork, and I'm going to get it back to you by tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and you will get the advantage of getting the discount on any of those therapies. You'll have a price locked in. If you're an old patient, call within the next 2 days, order one of your therapies or a new therapy that you possibly might want to try, and we will hook you guys up. And if you are an old patient and you have all the other stuff, I will hook you guys up with something special, okay? So make sure you guys mention John from the Cyber Monday discount to get this, okay? So let's talk about a therapy that is an awesome therapy, and you don't need blood work done for it. All you have to do is fill out the new patient paperwork for it. So this is really, really cool. So MK677, all right? MK677 is an oral IGF-1 stimulator. It is a GHRH. So it's a growth hormone releasing hormone. What this is going to do is naturally help stimulate the growth hormone in your body, and what that hopefully is going to do is produce to a nice result of IGF-1, which is going to give you all the benefits of, you know, feeling stronger, looking good, leaner, better attitude, hair, skin, nails. It is like the fountain of youth, hopefully. That's, what I think of it as far as the closest thing. It's not going to keep you young for millions and millions of years, but it's going to help you get past some of those things. It also will stimulate some hunger, guys. So at that point, it might make you eat a little bit. So make sure you're eating clean. Make sure you're eating lean as much as possible, okay? What up, Patrick Dawson? How you doing? So at that point, you guys know about MK677. It's oral, so it's not injectable. You guys can take it. It's 1 pill a day. At that point, the medical provider will go over all the regimen and protocols with you, go over your new patient paperwork with you, and help give you the best regimen that is custom to what you're trying to achieve, goal and health-wise. So that's what we're all about. Got my MK67 a few weeks ago. Works great. It makes me hungry as a mofo. So he just got his MK677. It's working really, really well. And guys, there's clinical studies on it, trials. It's worked really, really well, especially with older people. So at that point, that's when decline of IGF-1 level goes down. Our body stops producing as much growth hormone, which is less stimulation into IGF-1 or conversion. And at that point, we start getting older. We start deteriorating. We start feeling our age. And that is what you want to try to go against. You don't want to feel your age per se, especially if you're 60, 70. I actually had some female, she called last week. She won a free blood test, and she's 67 years old. She wants to feel better. Her health, totally immaculate. She has nothing going wrong with her, but she doesn't feel like herself. Her energy was down, her concentration. She's like, John, I know something's wrong, and these other doctors will not help me. I'm glad I got the blood test to see what was going on. And at that point, we can help and treat some of these people. So at that point, the vitamins, amino acid, injectable therapies are good for everybody. So we say, if you're not taking hormones, with hormones, this works really well because most of the amino acids, let's call it the Titan Complete. So you have the branched chain amino acids in there. They're essential amino acids. Now there's a big debate about essential amino acids or branched chain amino acids. Which one's good for you? Which one works? So we know the essential amino acids your body needs, right? The thing about it is there's only 3 branched chain amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Okay, there's only 3. Those 3 are branched chain amino acids, yes. But, here's the but, they're essential amino acids. They are essential. That means your body needs them, and you need to get them from an outside source. What's the outside source you can get them from? So the most common response is, and a lot of people give me flack or feedback, and I tell them this, I'll name it right off the bat, your nutrition. So your food should be giving you all your sources. Does your food give you all your sources, or are you getting the right nutrition? Are you eating the right food sources to get that nutrition? Probably not. Most Americans don't do it. And that's why our health is on decline. Obesity is at an utmost rate it has ever been in our country. I believe laziness is on the rise. At that point, we're getting slower. We're getting fatter. We are a generation of instant gratification, guys. I always get it. I even told my son the other day, check this out. So my son, right, I see him in, he's pretty active. He plays a lot of sports and stuff like that. But he's not as active as I was a kid, or as when Sharice was a kid, right? Because we were always outside playing. I remember, we were kids of the Nintendo Game Boy generation. I think I got that was like 10 or 11 years old, something like that. Maybe a little bit earlier, but at that point, we really didn't have these game systems like we do today. Or we don't have computers or phones or anything like that. So they're not going outside and playing enough. They're not being active enough, and at that point, you might start gaining some weight in some different areas. So I told my son, I was like, you better start being more active, or you will start gaining body fat, especially, if you start eating a lot of candy and sugar. And I started explaining sugar and conversion, fat, and all that. So, to really educate our kids is a big, big thing out there. And I believe, they're going to be our future. That all those old sayings are true. The kids are our future. So at that point, we all need to do our own tasks and do, what we should, and teach our kids the right way to eat, or at least look at labels. And if you don't know how to look at labels, check it out. If you don't know about nutrition, grab a book, get on the internet, Google it. I mean, we just brought up a book too, me and Jeff Bahar, and your ultimate, Bible, the health and fitness, disease prevention, weight loss. So at that point, the Ultimate Health Bible will guide you through some of these things. And if you guys don't know where to get it, you guys get on the page and stuff like that. I'll put a link out later. I don't really want to pump it yet, but I do want to get to you guys. So vitamin amino acid therapies can help boost metabolism, a lot of these different vitamins. They can help recovery time. They can help with muscle pump, vasodilation, blood flow, concentration. There's a lot of different things our blends can do, not just, great for the gym. It's not just great for the gym. I hear Hercules Potion all the time. It's a pre-workout. My thought when I think of a pre-workout is I think of all the things that are sold over the counter that's got a ton of stimulants in them. And I've heard some places the pre-workout with no stim. I guess you could take it pre-workout and it's not going to have a stim in it. It's going to be great for any strenuous activity. And the reason is because any strenuous activity or workouts usually get sore. So glutamine's in there for help recovery time. We had a patient call today. He said, hey, listen, I'm getting great size. I'm feeling a lot better. Lean mass is there. He's like, but recovery time just isn't there. So at that point, he got the recovery, he got the Hercules Potion, and he's probably going to work it out better. He used to do the Super Titan. He was like, I love the Super Titan. So at that point, it was a step up. Eric Lupo, he got his. Awesome. So you got the book. Eric, thank you, man. I appreciate your support, dude. Let me know what you think about it. Guys, any of you guys that do get the book or anything like that, please let me know what you think about it. If you do, I'll try to do something special for you. Send me out a shirt, something, anything. At that point, we just want to help. So there was a lot of different things in that book that will help you through nutrition and stuff like that if you don't know the basics. It touched on a little bit of hormones, some blood testing you should be checking, how you should be asking your doctors and stuff like that because your doctors work for you. So at that point, they should try to help you. So take advantage of the Cyber Monday deals. That's what this is about. Cyber Monday, this is the deal. $50 for your doctor or medical provider consultation on any vitamin amino acid therapy for the whole year. That means if you're just doing vitamin amino acid therapies with Titan Medical Center, or you want to, or the ECAs, or possibly MK677, all you have to do is sign the new patient paperwork and get it back to us by tomorrow. You'll be locked in for the $50 off discount off any vitamin amino acid injectable therapy we offer, or the MK677. I will do that especially for you guys. So I want to pass these savings on to you guys. If there's anything else Titan can do for you guys, please let me know. Me and Sharice are here for you guys. The staff is here for you guys. Our medical providers and medical staff are here for you guys. We are here for you all the time. Call, text, email. Guys, if you guys are on YouTube, please press subscribe. Please share this to some pages if you can. Instagram, please. Please share it. Pop to your story if possible. And check out IGTV. Facebook, you guys are. Please share it to the groups, your page. I really appreciate all the support, guys. I'm John from Titan Man, and I'm out.